In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a pin from inside a Pinterest board. If you've saved a pin by mistake, added the wrong image to a board, or just want to clean things up, Pinterest makes it fairly simple to remove a pin. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can delete it confidently. First, open Pinterest and go to your profile. From there, find the board that contains the pin you want to remove. This is important because you'll need to access the pin from inside the specific board where it was saved. Once you're on that board, take a moment to locate the exact pin you want to delete. Next, click or tap on the individual pin to open it fully. You don't want to try deleting it from the smaller preview view because the full pin view gives you access to more options. Once the pin is open, you should be able to see the image larger and view the actions available for that pin. Now look for the 3 dots icon, shown as 3 periods. This is the menu that contains additional actions. On a desktop computer, it's usually near the top of the pin. On a mobile device, it may appear closer to the bottom, often near the share button. If you don't see it right away, just pause for a second and scan the screen carefully, since the layout can vary slightly depending on the device you're using. After you find the 3 dots, click or tap on it and choose Edit Pin from the menu. This will open the editing window for that specific pin. Inside this edit screen, scroll all the way to the bottom. Pinterest places the delete option lower down, so make sure you go to the end of the window rather than stopping halfway. At the bottom, click Delete, or in some versions, delete this pin. Once you select that option, Pinterest will ask you to confirm the action. Go ahead and confirm that you want to delete the pin permanently. Keep in mind that this deletion is intended to be permanent, so it's a good idea to double check that you've selected the correct pin before confirming. And that's it. Once confirmed, the pin will be removed from your board.